Now this is a question in which the Ghaziabad Hapur Meerut EMU and the Meerut Hapur Ghaziabad EMU start at the same time from Ghaziabad and Meerut and proceed toward each other at 16 km per hour and 21 km per hour respectively. So when they meet, it is found that one train has travelled 60 km more than the other. The distance between the two stations is. Now what is happening? Imagine this is the distance, obviously. Now see, one is this start from the same time from Ghaziabad and from Meerut, and they proceed towards each other, right? This train proceed toward each other, and some point they meet, and when they meet, it is like found that one train has traveled 60 km more, right? Okay. In such situation, what happens is mostly what is constant. What is the train I which I have told you that is constant? That is definitely the time. Time is constant, right? Why time is constant? When they're traveling and meeting, it's obviously they're traveling for the same duration. But when this happens, distance d1 is to d2 is equals to s1 is to s2, right? Why it is happening? Because we have explained this before also. This is the prime case of time being constant, and when that happens, speed is directly proportional to distance. Now when we have these information, what we can do? We can say d1 by d2 equals to s1 by s2 equals to 16 by 21, right? Now imagine if one take the case of distance. So if one travels 16, other will have traveled 21. What is the gap between them, right? The gap between them is 5. But actually we need a gap of 60. Why? That's how we'll tell the exact distance, right? So to have a gap of 60, you will need a multiplication factor of 12, right? When you multiply by 12, then you can get 60, and then hence 16 into 12 and 21 into 12, right? This will become, so when you do that, you will get the distance between them 16 into 12 at one part and 21 into 12, right? Now this will be the, if you add them, that will be the distance, and that is 444. I hope the logic is clear why it is happening. Time is constant, hence distance is directly proportional to speed, and this is a slight example of ratio of speed, and the gap which we are getting is 5, but we should actually get a gap of 60. Why it is happening? One train has traveled more, so that we have to match with the multiplication factor, and then hence we multiply by 12 when we multiplied both sides, and if you add these two, you can get the 444, which is the answer. And this is a IAFT 2007 question, and very beautiful question on time being constant, right? I hope if there is any doubt, please post in the comment section.